polio eradication, the water projects, the toilets that we are talking of doing, the health programs that we have, the schools, Sushil you run, Sushil Khurana, amazing school I went and saw. The changing lives of those children. There is so much that we keep doing. Ron Burton has just reminded us once again, let's keep changing lives of people. जो हमारे करीब आए, उसका दर्द हम समझ सकें, उसके लिए हम कुछ कर सकें, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है, दोस्तों रोटरी भी इसी का नाम है, and this is all about changing lives. Thank you.
Blessings has been part of our ethos, and the blessed are those who receive and give, because it endows in them the virtues of happiness, kindness and compassion. We would have loved to hear and seek the blessings of two of our stalwarts from our district, past RI Director Sushil ji and also past RI Director Sudarshan ji. But due to the paucity of time, they have condensed to be giving us the blessings by their very presence on the stage rather than coming and speaking to you. We would have loved to hear your words of compassion and kindness delivered in person. But may I request Sushil ji and Sudarshan ji to please join us on the stage to give your presence and the blessings to the audience that is present here today. And as they take their position, I have a word of appreciation for all our presidents, the Changemaker presidents. And I'll just sing two lines because I think you are the people who deserve this best. And this is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan's two lines, and I'm sure you'll all enjoy it. Kinna sona tuhanu Rab ne banaya, kinna sona tuhanu Rab ne banaya, ke dil kave vekhda rawa, kinna sona tuhanu Rab ne banaya, ke dil kave vekhda rawa, dil murda nilakh samjhaya, ke dil kave vekhda rawa, kinna sona tuhanu. God bless you all. Continue the good work. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh ji, and thank you all our leading lights. And friends, a delayed performance, but nevertheless.
When Sushil ji जब भी मिलते हैं कुछ एक करके जरूर जाते हैं. परसों कलकत्ता में थे, and he was narrating these stories how our relationship has been. He keeps telling me about one project or the other. He just gives the hint, and then somehow I don't know how I get float into it. The heart surgeries, which today we do 5 heart surgeries a day, sir. More than 1,500 heart surgeries we are doing today. तो सुशील जी ने कहा था लेकिन क्या कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में. परसों ये आए तो बोले एक चैलेंज और कर रहे हैं. What is happening in Uttarakhand? We know. Right now, your and my job probably has not yet started because the rescue operations you and I cannot do much. The locals have done an amazing job. The army has done an amazing job. But rebuilding and reconstruction is something that you and I will need to do. 120 villages or more have absolutely been wiped out. Their homes are not. When the people come back, they've gone up to the mountains. When they come back down, they'll find there are no homes. It is your and my duty to try and build their lives. Let's change their lives. Nature has changed it. Can we rebuild their life? Sushil ji gave us a challenge. Shekhar, how about taking up 20 villages by Rotary? I immediately accepted. There were 7 people from different districts, 7 districts, they were there. Each of them gave a commitment of that, 1 village at least. On behalf of my district, I said, we'll take up 5 villages. I leave the numbers to Vinod, how many villages this district would like to take up. Thank you.
Sir, the question is, I will not like to restrict the benevolence streak of my district by giving the numbers. I leave it to you. You give us the challenge, we'll complete it. I have the assurance of every single team member of mine in this hall. Can we raise our hands and say, we'll stand up to what you give us as a challenge. We'll rebuild. No numbers. 5 villages, yes.
Thank you, Manu. And friends, first of all, my apologies to Guruji, Salaluddin ji, who's been waiting, his entire troupe has been waiting for their performance. And these are disabled artists, so my sincere apologies for delay. Let me just do a brief introduction and then we'll start the performance. Celebrating abilities by ability unlimited is an experience beyond the ordinary. The spinning speed of the wheelchair is faster than accomplished ballet dancer spins, as movement of spin wheelchair is between 150 to 200 kilometers per hour. The disabled artist's brilliant, innovative and aesthetically crafted dance theatre performance are educative, motivating and entertaining. Request people not to leave. This is an enthroning performance, very important. Please continue to take your seats. And it is first of the kind anywhere in the world. Ability Unlimited is brainchild of Guru Sayyid Salaluddin Pasha, revered as father of Indian therapeutic theatre for persons with disabilities. Guru Pasha is a recipient of National Award from President of India for his performances and a world record holder who is in the Limca Book of World Records and Guinness World Records for creating 100 dance productions and 10,000 performances by persons with disabilities across the globe over the last 30 years. Now we welcome legendary Guru Dr. Sayyid Salaluddin Pasha, who will present the show. All over to him.
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय किमकुर्वत स्वर्गम् जित्वा भोक्ष्यते महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Bhagavad on the beaches. Want to thank our most dearest Virat Bansalji or Sangeeta ji for creating such a wonderful platform. Let me tell you that my beautiful girls, I think आप तो देख रहे हैं हालात के कदमों पे सिकंदर नहीं गिरता, टूटे जो सितारा जमीन पे नहीं गिरता, गिरते हैं बड़े शौक से समंदर में दरिया, लेकिन किसी दरिया में समंदर नहीं गिरता। यही एक मुद्दत है, शिद्दत है कि आज का दिन आपके सामने बीच पर ये भगवत गीता का परफॉर्मेंस लेकर आए। पैत्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय च दुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय रोटरी क्लब युगे युगे। मैं चाहता हूं कि कलियुग में हर युग में रोटी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से प्लेटफॉर्म देते आए हैं हम उनको शुक्रगुजार करना चाहते हैं। अच्छा, आपने तो हमारे बहुत हैंडसम लड़कों को देखा व्हील चेयर पर, और लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स। आपको इनमें क्या कमी नजर आई? Don't answer me those have seen my shows before, because I think I can see so many of my dear friend Rotarians have seen the show. My beautiful girl could not hear any music. They were hearing in bed. Without missing a single step they performed the entire concept of Dashavara, Karma Yoga, Dharma Yoga, Jnana Yoga. Or, Bansal Sahib, you have given a wonderful, wonderful platform for us. I want to salute you. Sangeeta ji, you are very kind of you.
Let me add a few words I have. My friends, आपके परफॉर्मेंसेस हमने अपनी जिंदगी में लाखों देखी, लेकिन इस एक परफॉर्मेंस जब मैंने पहली बार देखी नमस्ते हैदराबाद में, जब हमारा रोटरी का इंस्टीट्यूट था वहां, तो इन लोगों की जो कमिटमेंट थी उसने हम सब रोटेरियंस को छुआ। जैसे गुरुजी ने बताया, ये सब बच्चे they are the gift of God. If God has taken one sense from them, it has emboldened them with many of them otherwise. Look at that performance, look at that agility. Can you say that they are deficient in anything? मैं आपको सिर्फ एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं दोस्तों, गुरुजी को एक रिक्वेस्ट थे, ये सब बच्चे आए हैं। पहले तो आई वांट टू अपोलोजाइज फॉर द डिले, but then it sometimes happens in Rotary. My apologies to all you children. दोस्तों, they have not charged us even a penny. हम इनको कुछ नहीं दे रहे, ये आज हमें देके जा रहे हैं। ये देने की भावना है। Despite all this, they have the ability to give. मैंने सिर्फ एक गुरुजी को प्रॉमिस किया है, दादरी के पास जहां पर ये बच्चे रहते हैं, वहां पर ये वोकेशनल सेंटर बना रहे हैं इन्हीं जैसे बच्चों। उस वोकेशनल सेंटर में तरह तरह के वोकेशंस बताए जाएंगे ताकि इन बच्चों को इनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल सके, ये अपना परिवार चला सके। ये सब जो परफॉर्मेंस है ये गुरुजी ने इनको दी है। They are trying to create an amphitheater, they are trying to create all the facilities which can give them an immense that talent which they can reflect to the entire world. They go and perform other places, but friends, they do not have those kind of skills which also to their brethren can give them the livelihood. मैंने बिना आप सबसे पूछे इनको प्रॉमिस किया है कि इनके वोकेशनल सेंटर की जो भी जरूरत है और हमारे दादरी के, गाजियाबाद के और भी जो बाकी क्लब हैं वो इनके प्रोजेक्ट्स को पूरा करेंगे, और हम जहां से भी लाएं, मैं इनको आज प्रॉमिस करता हूं तो सारे के साथ प्रॉमिस करूंगा, क्योंकि यही सच्ची भावना है हम सबकी और यही हमारा मोटिव है, यही हमारा कर्तव्य है। थैंक यू गुरुजी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई एम पर्सनली एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, आई एम पर्सनली इंडेप्टेड टू यू।
Thank you. The information is on the table outside when you go on about Ability Unlimited Foundation.
And let me
just as a token of our respect to you, let me honor you. आज आपने हमें इतना कुछ दिया है, हम डेफिनेटली थोड़ा बहुत जो कर पाए जरूर करें। थैंक यू।
Thank you. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Last word, but not the least, because हम सब जानते हैं 70 मिलियन डिसेबल में 70% जो विकलांग लोग हैं वो रूरल में रहते हैं. I born and brought up in a village. I have gone back to the village because let me tell you the ratio for the support for the disabled. In the city there are 15 NGOs for one disabled person, but in the village none. So I gone back to the village to create such a service, you know, because मैं देखता हूँ तो बहुत दुख होता है क्योंकि डिसेबल बच्चे रेंगते हुए रोड नजर आते हैं गाँव में, वहाँ क्रचेस नहीं है, व्हील चेयर्स नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. मुझे पता है कि आप लोग सब हमारे साथ हैं और भगवान हमारे साथ है. बहुत धन्यवाद. Feel free to contribute maximum to support the project. Thank you.
Thank you, K. Salaluddin Pasha and his troop. Thank you so much, Guruji. We really appreciate your coming and performing in front of us. Another round of applause before they leave. And finally, friends, don't leave. We just have the last item on the agenda, which is proposal of formal vote of thanks. And to do that, I call upon District Governor-elect Sanjay Khanna. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Need to go through as, you know, it's been an amazing evening. Vinod, I must say it's been really wonderful. You're talking about the change obviously is inevitable. And I always say that one who rejects the change is the architect of decay. We are all there with you in that path of change. And you just need to tell us your road may be long ahead. You may not still be able to see the road, but you've already started building it. But when we all walk together on that road automatically comes into existence. It's been a wonderful time for this evening. I must thank Governor Ramesh also, because this is one year which has gone into another year. This is the beauty of Rotary, the magic of Rotary, what we were talking about. Ramesh, your year has also been wonderful, and the way you came and shared your thoughts with us today, you know, gives us the belief that we are into such good times, and I think the first trailer, the beginning, is already done. It's not only the figures what you talk, which are really important, you know, but the manner in which you touch the lives in your ear, all the people who you got in touch with, I think that is what is going to remain very close to our hearts. Of course, we have had such wonderful speakers. This group what just finished, Ability Unlimited, I think that is such a wonderful word, you know, which makes me say that the only definition, the only way you can define disability is by bad attitude and not by any other way. They have been tremendous and wonderful. PTP was here. He's always been a wonderful speaker. We've always enjoyed. We've always got motivated. He's already left, but our gratitude to him. Past Rotary International Director Shekhar ji is here. But Shekhar, it's going to take me some time to really get used to that prefix of PRID, because you've been so much part and parcel of us in this last couple of years that for us you'll always be there. And when I look at you, you know, I remember, I'm reminded of the eagle. You know, eagle never walks, you will never see an eagle in a flock together. He will always be soaring far ahead over the others. And that's what you did in Hyderabad, and there should be many, many more occasions when we look forward to having you here for your motivation. Our past Rotary International Directors, Sudarshan ji, I think he's left. Vaisa has also left. But Sushil ji is here. It's always a motivation, sir, and we're always motivated by your presence, by your words, by your wisdoms, and your projects. You've again started something new today. You've given us a cause for being in Rotary, and you know so much what we can achieve here. Our Council of Governors, it's really been wonderful, and of course, how can I not acknowledge the donors of today? I mean, they've really made this afternoon, they've really made this evening, they've really made, you know, the year start. And I think we're all going to be there in this venture because it's nothing about you or me, it's about us. And we really look forward to doing and achieving things by which, end of the day, 30th June, we are proudly again standing here and, you know, talking about our achievements with pride towards service and nothing else. I'm certain it's going to be happening, and we're all going to be looking forward to that. And of course, all of you having kept so much of patience, we love you. This has been such an amazing evening because of your presence, because of your patience, and now let's join us all for tea after this. Thank you so much.
Request Governor Vinod to adjourn the meeting.
I adjourn this meeting.
आओ जी, क्या हो रहा है जयेश? कमाल की बात है यार, इतनी दूर से बात लेके आए हो। थैंक यू। आओ जी, आओ सर। थैंक यू जी, आओ जी। आ जाओ सर। Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. आजो इधर को आजा। Thank you. Thank you sir. Thank you. भाइयों के Thank you अनिल। आप करेंगे? निर्मल बाबा जी आ गए। आजो। एक सेकंड आजा। एक सेकंड। मैं या फिर बात को हेलो रुजा अहमद नलवान है। Thank you जितेंद्र। देख है ना करेंगे क्या? Thank you।
हमारे पास ये 2 हाथ है।
कमाल की बात है, 2 हाथ क्या? मेरा भाई है। मैं बोल करूँगा 4 का जसपाल। आजा यार। हाँ भाई आजा यार। लो। Thank you. Continue. Thank you. फोटो खींच। कर दो फोटो कितना मेरी यार। आइए सर आइए। फोटो खींच सर। एक फोटो खींच। फोटो खींच। पहले हैं? Thank you very much. So excited. Looking forward to it. ये देखो मेरी टीम का ये मेरे फोटो तो खींचो यार। अप्पू जी आप भी आओ। अप्पू जी थैंक यू बेटा।
आवाज रिकॉर्ड हो रही। फोटो खींच, फोटो खींच। और गुज्जा कैमरे के अंदर सर फोटो खींच, फोटो खींच सर, फोटो हाँ जी सर, फोटो खींच रहे फोटो खींच। निकाल दी तार, निकाल दी, निकाल दी, निकाल दी, निकाल दी तार, निकाल दी। पलंग निकाल दे, पलंग सब निकाल दे। राजू
आशीर्वाद देके जा रहा हूँ। भाई बताओ यार, मेरे को पकड़वा दिया बात करके। बढ़िया बढ़िया। गाजियाबाद में ये इनका हाँ मैं मिल रहा हूँ। अरे यार बढ़ी गया आप कुछ खाओ ना है लीडरशिप जो है इधर हाँ जी आगे बल्ले बल्ले होगी सारे आए हुए देखो वी आर प्रेजेंट इन फुल स्ट्रेंथ आपको बधाई सब एक दूसरे को एक दूसरे की पीठ सब दबाएंगे तभी अकेले से कुछ नहीं होता नो बट आई एम रियली चार्ज अप प्रवीण जी क्यों मिल गया बिल्कुल है टाइम नहीं है कि भाभी जी हैं उनको भाभी जी को आप कहोगे हाँ जी चलेगा थैंक यू हाय अजय हाउ आर यू बहुत चला नमस्कार अतुल जी हाउ आर यू सर नमस्कार मैंने आपका नाम मुझे याद था आपके एक्चुअली कई बार माइंड से रिलेशनशिप वो ना कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ करेक्ट नहीं कोई बात नहीं ऐसी कब आप नहीं भूलेंगे नहीं सर नहीं सपोर्ट आपकी 100% है सपोर्ट आपकी 100% जनरली मैं भूलता नहीं हो जाता है आप तो यही बैठ के वो कहते भल्ला साहब कितने चले आए अच्छा ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए आई होप यू हैव योर प्रेसिडेंट यू आर द प्रेसिडेंट अच्छा मैं कहते ऐसे तो निकल गया थैंक यू मोहन जी ये हाल चाल है सर बहुत हाँ जी राजकुमार जी कहते 6 तरीक ਨੂੰ बड़ा ਵੱਡਾ फंक्शन रखा है सारे बंदे साफ करते ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਲੱਬ ਦੀ ਇੰਸਟਾਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਸ਼ਨੀਵਾਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਮਾਮਲਾ था बहुत मुबारकों हमारा चलिए कोई सेवा हो आपके हाजिर है इकट्ठे सारा आप इकट्ठे कराएंगे जो इकट्ठे करेंगे नाल ही नाल दस दी ब्याह करना है मैसेज मिल गया मतलब कम्युनिकेशन कंप्लीट हो पर मैं वापस करना था ना भूल गया आपको देख के याद आया जेके गौड़ को मैंने कहना जेके गौड़ नहीं आएगा उसकी जेके गौड़ को कहूँगा कि नहीं तू आगे निकल गया प्रचार बदल गया ना और वो एडवर्टीजमेंट का ये क्या मेरे को बता दो ये करो सर फिर थोड़ी 5 दिन और निकल गए किस चीज़ की वेट कर रहे हो हाँ जी मनोहर जी क्या हाल चाल है Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Master. I am really proud. Proud of you. Know what you are doing. You are my district director.
Many congratulations. There is no
आपने मुझे यही सिखाया
That people are